So I finished my raised panel door. I have it in this case, but you're gonna have to come back next week to see what's inside the case, and then I'll open the door. So the door, I did the whole thing on the table saw. I did open mortise and tenon joints. I did the raised panel here, and I also cut this piece on the table saw. And it turned out pretty well, and it was not too hard to make, so I'll show you how I made it. So I will run a test piece to see if everything lines up okay. Yeah, those pieces line up really well, so I will carry on. Again, I will try a test piece for the stiles to see how they fit in here. So here I have all the pieces cut. They all fit together pretty good. A little bit of cleanup and it'll be good. So I cut a dado into this one piece, and now I have to cut a dado into this piece here, but I don't want to go over, so I've put 2 stop blocks and I will run this through. So here I made one cut. There, I now have all the pieces cut, and I have the slot for the raised panel to fit in. So I will go ahead and make the raised panel. So here I've cut a small panel. It'll fit in the slots, and it's 1/8 of an inch smaller to allow for any expansion of humidity. So now I will bevel the edges. So after running a few test pieces, I finally figured out some settings that would work. So here I'm cutting an extra groove in the rail and stile to give it more dimension. So I was going to clean up the edges with a chisel to make it nice and square. This was from the table saw. You can't cut all the way square. I did these two already with the chisel, but I'll glue it up and chisel it out later, so either way it can be done, it's easy enough. So I'm now ready for gluing. And now I'm ready for my clamp. So I'm just about finished my door. It's glued up and I just have the last corner to cut out. I'll show you how I did it. So I just use a chisel and carefully notch out the two ends. And then slowly carve it out.